Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
First, install flatpak if it's not already installed by running the following command. Next, add the flathub repository which we'll use to download AngryIP scanner with the next command. Now install AngryIP scanner with the following command. Once installed, launch AngryIP scanner using the next command. Or you can find it in your desktop environment and run it from there. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.